Hello everyone, I am Anirudh Bhalerao and in this video, I will clear the difference between trademark objected and trademark status formality check fail. And this video is brought to you by Company 360. So without wasting any time, let's start with the video. Once a trademark application, that is TMA, is filed, the trademark application is set open for scrutiny. The trademark application is judged on two parameters. Firstly, whether the basic application content or the basic requirements required for filing a trademark application are fulfilled or not. This means that application must have proper applicant name, proper document attachment, correct image description, etc. Basically, the trademark application shall have all the basic prerequisite formal requirements fulfilled. In case there is any fundamental or formal error detected in the trademark application after the application is filed, the examiner marks and states the deficiency in formality check fail status. This letter means that application has failed the very first basic check and applicant now has to correct the said deficiency as stated in formality check letter. These deficiencies can have fees associated with it or may be without fees. In case any deficiency such as wrong classification description is stated generally, such error can be cleared only by the way of filing TMM with fees. Now let's understand what exactly does a formality check fail mean. It is essentially fundamental error in the application that is mandatorily to be obviated in 30 days from date of actual receipt of the letter. Formality check fail must not be confused with trademark examination, as trademark examination is a stage where trademark application is judged upon the substantive legal questions applicable to the mark. Such questions may be related to substantive examination of the mark based on similarity or conflict with the existing mark, or is the mark descriptive in nature or falls under the purview of Section 9 of the Trademarks Act. Let me give you an overview about trademark objection. A trademark creates an identity for the brand and distinguishes it from products or services in the market. Hence, protecting it is crucial if one wants to maintain its distinct identity. But what if someone stops you from claiming your right? For that, we need to understand the concept of trademark objection. Trademark objection is one of the initial stages in the trademark registration process, where the trademark examiner objects to your application due to certain reasons. It is not a straightforward denial to your claim, but the registrar seeks valid reasons or explanations about the mark and its registrability. He gives the applicant an opportunity to explain how the said trademark fits the criteria to avail valid registration. There are mainly two specific reasons for trademark objection. First, it contains incomplete or wrong information, or similar trademarks already exist. Let's have a look at the differences. Whereas formality check fail is just a preliminary scrutiny about the trademark application, it is nowhere related to trademark substantive examination. And once the trademark application is formality check pass, then only the application proceeds to substantive examination, where trademark status is generally shown as objective. Therefore, we can say that formality check pass or formality check fail is a step before trademark status is objected. This means once you have replied for formality check fail letter, this does not mean that stage of trademark examination is completed. But this stage will come only once the formality check fail reply is correctly submitted, and then application will proceed to further examination, that is trademark examination on basis of substantive law, which is indicated when examination report is issued and trademark application status is reflected as trademark objected. Always remember that a good trademark attorney ensures that there do not arise any case of formality check fail and trademark application is timely granted. This brings me to the end of this video. For any more information or guidance on this topic, please visit our website or contact us on the details given here. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.